before we started recording, you mentioned to me something about Matplotlib, and I can't remember what this was, but there's something that you're like, there's something that people should know about Matplotlib that most people don't.
Ticker.
Ticker.
The ticker module in Matplotlib. I always have this. It's in the book. It's in my trainings. So there are often times where you're maybe visualizing a quantity that maybe has a set of units or, let's say, percentages, and you have now 0 to 1, or do you multiply by 100, or if you wanted to normalize based on a constant factor, you can actually just use the ticker and do all that for you. So you simply, you import ticker, obviously, and then you just hook it up to the axis that you're working with. So you can say, in this case, on this plot that I'm working with, the y-axis is a percent. So you pass it the percent formatter, and you tell it what's the base. So if you just say 1, that means they're already percentages. Mm-hmm. So it'll multiply by whatever factor it needs to and tax on the percent for you. And so you have already a huge improvement in how the plot looks. And then within ticker, you have various kinds of ways to format the ticks and also to place the ticks. So maybe you're working with data that's clearly strictly integers, but maybe your scale is small enough that Matplotlib shows you fractional units, and you don't want that there. That's easy to correct with ticker.
Nice. So the ticker module makes it easier to format and place ticks in your plots, ultimately making it easier for you to convey some specific concept to your viewer.
Yes.